Harmonic pattern. Fib dot. NASDAQ on the map. Fib dot. NASDAQ on the 2s. Fib dot. NASDAQ on the 5s. Harmonic pattern. NASDAQ on the 2s. Harmonic pattern. NASDAQ. Fib dot. NASDAQ on the MACD. Fib dot. NASDAQ on the 5s.
Alrighty then, welcome aboard, ladies and gentlemen. If you're not following us on Facebook and of course here on YouTube, don't miss out on the Instagram fun right here. And let's get into it here this morning. We are a few minutes past the open, had some issues with the stream for some reason there, and eventually I'll get better at this whole streaming thing. We've got our 5 trades lined up for us here. Let's get to it here this morning. Go right to the goodies.
On the 2s.
Let's do this.
Harmonic pattern. NASDAQ on the wave.
Don't forget that trading is risky and it is not for everybody. Let's get right into it here this morning. A few minutes past the open, and
harmonic pattern.
Let's look around top left. Let's start with what we're looking at up top. Again, small account challenge here, and NQ is still not on the menu, so I can't go to my bread and butter favorite yet, but RTY right in the middle of the bottom golden rope here. I like that we've got the 2-finger on the high time frame, so I want to be looking for a short almost instantly here this morning. I'm gonna look at this one first on the RTY. So gonna be looking for a short. There was one right there on the king.
Short. Look for a short.
But I want something more than a dot here off of my first trade here. We're just past the open here, and I was a little flustered with my stream. Here, let me make sure it's actually going. It's gonna be very frustrating if it's not running. Let me see.
Fib dot. NASDAQ on the 5s.
Okay, yeah, it looks.
Fib dot. NASDAQ
it looks like it's
on the
going.
5s. Fib dot. NASDAQ on the wave.
Where's the concurrent viewer?
Fib dot. NASDAQ on the 2s.
Okay, there it is.
Fib dot. NASDAQ on the wave. Fib dot. NASDAQ on the 5s.
Here comes king timing.
Fib dot. NASDAQ on the 5s.
Jailish area. Histogram red. We just barely turned green. I'd love to see that turn back red.
Fib dot. NASDAQ on the 2s.
Sellers come in on the tape here. There's no real entry right there. Gotta wait for a signal. We're back to red. That's good.
Fib dot.
That
NASDAQ on the MACD.
In red. Around ES was red. It just popped green, but it put in a cross. So let's see.
Harmonic pattern. NASDAQ
off of
on
that.
the 2s.
Pardon my throat here this morning.
Fib dot. NASDAQ on the wave.
Okay, here comes another king time. Again, this is
Fib dot.
really all
NASDAQ
tightened up. We'll
on
talk
the
about
2s.
this later here.
Delta.
Finger over the
Fib dot.
trigger. Here
NASDAQ
comes
on the 2s.
king timing.
Fib dot. NASDAQ on the 2s.
See if anything shows up here. I've got king timing on the 5s. I've got space.
Fib dot. NASDAQ on the 2s. Fib dot. Harmonic pattern. NASDAQ.
The PRZ up here. I'd love to see it get up in here. Okay. Into the PRZ.
Fib dot. NASDAQ on the 2. Fib dot. NASDAQ on the 2s.
Almost there.
Long. Look for a long.
Fib dot. NASDAQ.
Okay, we're in that zone.
Harmonic pattern. NASDAQ on the 2s. Har.
Yikes, green dot. Okay. Oh,
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the 2.
histogram shifting
Fib
back
dot.
to green.
Nasdaq
Okay. Oh,
on the
double
2.
dot. Okay, I'll take a shot at that.
Harmonic
Histogram
pattern.
going, double dot.
Fib
Pops
dot.
back behind the
Nasdaq
dots
on the 2.
here. Triple dot, add to position. All right, we are in max position here, so I've got to pump target 1. And then we'll see if there's any more left in it. Right here at a cross on a king timing, delta coming
Fib dot.
in.
Nasdaq
Could become
on the
semi-problematic.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq
Oh,
on the
don't
2.
break that. Yikes, bunny ear, hold on. Closing it. All right, taking a loss here off the first trade. There is a red PRZ here, and that is cracking. All right, I'm gonna get short here underneath that. Green
Harmonic
dot,
pattern.
bunny
Nasdaq
ear.
on the 2.
Let's push this out for the run.
Fib dot.
Right
Fib dot.
underneath those, there's
Nasdaq
a red dot,
on the
add
2.
to position, max position, opposite direction.
Fib dot.
Short. Look for a short.
Plus king timing here.
Delta sell build.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq on the
That
2.
was a tricky one. That is a very, very tricky one right there. We'll come back and talk to that in a bit. Let me manage this trade here. Come on, drop it.
Short. Look for a short.
Oh, come on. We're right in that 940 to 950
Harmonic
reversal
pattern.
space,
Nasdaq
so
on the 2.
good spot to have
Fib dot. Nasdaq
picked up on it.
on the 2.
Yikes. All right, I need to take off.
Target
Nope.
filled.
Okay, she's gonna break it. Good. All right, let me push out one runner here. Let's see if she's gonna go. There's a PRZ target right there. I'm gonna clip that right on that PRZ target, and I'm gonna put this one right on that PRZ target. You see those two right there? There we go.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the wave.
And there is
Fib
a
dot.
white
Now
cross.
target
I could
filled.
add to that position, but I'm gonna take the rest right there. PRZ
Fib
cross
dot.
exit right there. That's 2 trades in. Plus 380. All for the first 2 trades. Checking our MAC V. Red
Fib-
YM. YM up there looks actually easier. Look what I missed on this YM up here. Oh man, this is an
Harmonic
easier
pattern.
trade up
Nasdaq
here.
on the
Kind of
2.
correlated with what we had right there on RTY.
Fib dot.
Look at all that.
Nasdaq
So you got
on the 2.
the headshot, double cross, a lot easier to see and read, and then exit right there on YM. Would have been an
Harmonic
easier
pattern.
trade
Nasdaq
than the
on the
other.
2. Fib dot. Nasdaq on the 5.
All right. All right. So let's look at the next spot here.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq
So
on the 2.
I am pulling
Fib
up
dot.
off
Nasdaq
of the
on the
PRZ. PRZ is green. We're on ones here. Green there, we are red there. Look at YM high time frame. I did not get to look
Harmonic
at that yet.
pattern. Nasdaq on the 2.
YM has put in a pink dot, so big time frame
Short.
is short.
Look for a
yes,
short.
exactly. Is red. We just came off of the red butterfly, reacted quite well off of that.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the 5s. Harmonic pattern.
Did we come all the way
Nasdaq
down?
on
We
the
did.
2.
Okay, so that already hit its target. So let's that. Okay.
Fib dot.
Long. Look.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the 2. Fib dot. Fib dot. Nasdaq.
Delta by building.
hearing sellers.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the twos. Harmonic pattern.
Let's listen
Nasdaq
in and
on
see
fib
if
dot.
we
Nasdaq on the wave.
get any juice from that. I heard the first set of sellers. We got red HMD up top. I'm gonna dip my
Fib
toe in
dot.
the water here
Nasdaq
first.
on the MACV.
My stops back behind the white cross here. HMD play. This looks like it's got more space here. Again, I'm toe in the water here. Only 2 contracts. I got my finger over the sell to add to position if we get the opportunity.
Fib dot.
Delta sell building.
I'm hearing buyers now though.
Harmonic
Where are
pattern.
my sellers
Delta
at?
buy building.
Okay,
Harmonic
there we
pattern.
go.
Nasdaq.
Target
Let
filled.
me push one out. Finger over the close.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the twos.
In
Fib dot.
timing, green
Nasdaq
dot, close
on the
it.
twos.
All right, so we'll take that one as trade 3. Don't get too much out of that one.
Long.
Fib dot.
That HMD
Nasdaq
looks like
on the twos.
that's a pretty good long run right there.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the twos.
We've got green dot, we got king timing. It's moving very fast this morning. I apologize, I can't walk through it as easy as we have and the slower days here.
Fib
On
dot.
the video game, we are on
Nasdaq
trade
on the twos.
4. Very, very fast action here. I'm looking back and forth between RTY and YM right now. A little bit of hesitation. ES
Harmonic
is
pattern.
in a very
Nasdaq
interesting spot
on
on
the
the
twos.
MACV. We've got this big moon.
Fib dot.
Coming in
Nasdaq
here.
on the twos.
What screen is it? Top right. Here's what I'm looking at right here. See, something's about to give right in here. Okay, so let's see. Again, ES is the big heavy daddy, right? So where she goes, the others are going to go. Keep an eye right here.
Harmonic
We don't
pattern.
know if it's going to shift
Nasdaq
and turn.
on the fib dot.
It definitely is
Nasdaq
giving
on the
it
twos.
look like it is, but this could be a double move all the way up to the top. Let's get a measurement on this. Okay, high time frame. Put it all the way up to 4384s. If this completes all the way out, this will likely get to, this is basically a plover on the 8s. So really want to be looking long here first on any of that.
Delta.
Fib dot. Nasdaq. Fib dot. Nasdaq on the twos.
Jacked up. Again, I want to trade ES directly. We're not quite at that speed.
Delta sell
From a
building.
correlation. Oh, I got a
Fib
headshot
dot.
over here
on the
coming
twos.
in with a PRZ target above me on YM. Getting
Harmonic
long
pattern.
on
Nasdaq
YM.
on the twos.
Green headshot, PRZ target. Pretty simple one. To push out one runner here. I'm going
Long.
to add to
Look for
position.
long.
Try to get
Fib dot.
maximize this
Nasdaq
play
on the way.
right here.
Target filled.
Okay, this is
Target
classic.
filled.
I mean, you got basically double dot headshot to the long side, PRZ target right there. Right, that's our target. Yikes! Is it
Fib
gonna
dot.
stop right there?
Nasdaq on the twos.
Finger on the
Harmonic pattern.
close.
Nasdaq
We're not gonna go
on the
any
twos.
farther.
Fib
Okay,
dot.
we're
Nasdaq
there,
on the
and it didn't push right in.
harmonic
Come on,
pattern.
give me that
Nasdaq
PRZ
on the
target.
twos. Fib dot. Nasdaq.
Come on, get in there. Are you joking me?
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the wave.
Deltas.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the twos. Fib dot. Nasdaq on the
Get
twos.
in there.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the
I hear double crosses coming in. That's on the ES. Double crosses coming in on ES. I'm going to add to this position. Get in there.
harmonic pattern.
Spot
Fib dot.
here.
Nasdaq on the twos. Fib dot. Nasdaq on the twos.
Short. Look for a short.
Okay,
Fib dot.
white cross,
Nasdaq
add to
on the
position.
twos.
So I'm just going to be trying to target, get inside that PRZ to get the majority of this off. I see a secondary PRZ target right there. I'm going to drop that in here. We'll see if we can get to both of these PRZs through the king timing. I'm going to take the majority of this off right inside that PRZ if it's going to give it to me. Okay, king timing is here.
Fit harmonic pattern.
Finger over the close. Yikes. Coming back to the back of that. Up there. So it did not get as far as I had hoped, so I'm going to abandon this pretty quick here.
Look
if we
for
push
a
up into this PRZ or anywhere close. I mean, I can't believe that penny picked it.
Harmonic pattern.
Come on, you got another PRZ up there. I do see this one kind of as a possible magnet down there. ES putting in a double cross here. Going to be very interesting to see. That could control the move here.
Fib dot.
Nope, I'm gonna close it. Okay, I don't know what's going on there. I can't believe it didn't get there. I'm abandoning my position on 4. Final trade, 5th trade. Let's make this one a good one. Yeesh. Cannot believe that penny picked there. Really thought that was gonna go, especially with ES. So look at what I'm talking about on ES. ES is putting in
harmonic pattern. NASDAQ on the 2s.
Oh, pressing the wrong buttons. Okay. Got to start using this
harmonic pattern.
Okay.
NASDAQ on the 2s.
That's a double cross. That's a double cross, but it's right into a PRZ.
NASDAQ on the 2s.
So this thing could explode all the way up to here, or since there's a PRZ target right here, this could rip down. There's king timing over there on ES. But let's see if the YM and RTY kind of make that shift along with it.
Harmonic pattern. NASDAQ on the 2s.
I'm liking the movement of YM more than RTY.
Fib dot. NASDAQ on the 2s.
HMD red and histogram red
long.
shift. So we want to look to the short side here. Well, I was kind of a bit nervous on that last one. I was really using the correlation on this one, and I should have more paid attention to our actual setup right there. We're getting all kinds of congestion here. Be patient. We've got our 5th trade here. We're up 500. Got a refrigerator delivery coming today. Our other one water dispenser went out on it. Is that them?
Fib dot. NASDAQ on the 2s.
Alright, I'll be right back. Hold on, so just hold on.
Short. Look for a short.
Harmonic pattern. NASDAQ on the 2s. Fib dot. NASDAQ on the MACV. Harmonic pattern. NASDAQ
Long. Look for a long.
Okay, sorry folks. I think our delivery guy's here. I think wifey's got it here. Oh, headshot on the 8s. Okay, this is a big
Fib
one.
dot. NASDAQ.
And we've got
Delta
red
cell
there.
building.
Okay, I'm gonna dip the toe in the water here first. Let me get this back behind. Cross. Go half position here.
Fib dot.
Delta cell building.
And what's that? So target down here to at least 830. There's 20, 25s to the 25. Doesn't look right. 25, really?
Look for a short.
25 to the bottom of this is here. Okay, get the stop back behind the cross. A little bit of a bigger cross there. So we want to push this out. Yeah, I'm seeing 25.
Short. Harmonic pattern.
Okay,
NASDAQ
so
on the 2s.
let's split this up here. Let's do 2 and 2. 5s and put that back there. So headshot coming in here is the play. And we've got double crosses.
Fib dot.
We've got
NASDAQ on the 2s.
king timing here. Finger over the close in the event that we start to just explode, or if I start to hear something crazy.
Harm. Long.
So another double cross. So we got double cross showing up. That's on NQ. And that would be, that looks like an NQ short into a PRZ
Harmonic.
cross. So that could help us out.
Fib dot. NASDAQ on the 2s. Long.
Okay.
Fib dot. NASDAQ on the 2s.
Stop behind this would be 71s. That would bring this in for me. Let's bring that into 71. Maybe 72. At the top of that? Yeah, okay. So basically I've got to stop back
Fib
here
dot.
behind
NASDAQ on the
the
2s.
bubble. It's on the 5s, this shows a little bit more, but this play
dot.
is coming
Fib
off
dot.
of this
Harmonic
spot right
pattern.
here. It's pretty
NASDAQ
deep
on the
into
2s.
that moon there. Okay, we've got a red dot. I'm going to add to that position on the red dot. Whoa, there
Delta
she
5
goes.
building.
Okay.
Fib dot. NASDAQ
Instantly
on the
hit
MACD.
that.
Fib
Instantly
dot.
hit that
NASDAQ
target.
on the 5s.
Trying to maximize with that red dot add. And let's push out a runner to this one there. 3 here.
Harmonic
and
pattern.
2 there.
Short. Look for a
Alright,
short.
sorry about that. Okay, so let's see how far this goes. What's that? A break? That's at 18 for the break.
Harmonic pattern. NASDAQ on the 2s. Fib dot.
Oh.
NASDAQ.
Was that just a jolt?
Fib dot.
Oh,
NASDAQ
there we go.
on the wave.
Okay, targets. Got my finger over the close here.
Fib dot.
Let's split this up. Final trade here. 5th trade. We are
Fib
1
dot.
minute from 10
NASDAQ
o'clock.
on
Let's
the
see
2s.
if 10 o'clock brings an absolute drop or if we're going to pop back up in there. We know there's a PR there. There we
Delta
go.
5 building.
Okay. Let's see if we can hold for a green. Right at the open line here.
Fib dot. NASDAQ on the 2s. Fib dot. NASDAQ on the 5s. Harmonic pattern. NASDAQ on the 2s.
Okay, still dropping. I got my finger over the cell. If I get another place to add right here. Yikes, PRZ right here. So if we pop up,
harmonic pattern.
That takes us all the way back to
fib dot.
our entry.
NASDAQ on the
Delta.
harmonic pattern. NASDAQ.
Okay, blue dot break. I'm going to add to position.
Delta
We got
cell
PRZs
building.
down there for targets.
Fib
My
dot.
stop back behind.
NASDAQ on the twos.
This
Fib
little
dot. NASDAQ on the
mini
twos.
pivot right here.
Fib dot. NASDAQ on the twos.
I'm gonna take one right here.
Target filled.
Not sure how far we're going there. We got our green. I'm just gonna close it
Fib
right
dot.
there.
NASDAQ
That is a
on the twos.
beauty, and I'm a beast.
Fib dot.
Where's
NASDAQ on the
target
twos.
filled one?
Fib
This
dot.
one?
Harmonic
Nope,
pattern.
that's not it.
NASDAQ.
That's not it. Oh man, I thought I had a bind for that. Okay, sorry.
Fib dot. NASDAQ.
Where's
on
my
the fives.
targets filled? This is what I was trying to get it to do. All right, one day I'm gonna get this stream thing figured out. Targets filled. All right, and that's supposed to have music with it, but it's not. It's not quite there yet. That was anticlimactic. Okay, so this beast just dropped out here for us. We got
Fib dot.
is a
NASDAQ
beautiful
on the
headshot
twos.
high time frame. So if you think about why, again, this is trade 5. So let's talk about review here on our
Harmonic pattern.
5th trade. So again, if you are new to this or don't know, again, that's the 5th trade right there. Great trade to end on right there. I mean, I'm not even gonna push it.
Short.
We're right
Look for
at
short.
we're right at 10 o'clock.
dot.
We're at 10:01.
Harmonic
So
pattern. Fib-
10:10 is sit on hands. I know it's getting loud on the audio there. So we're in. We finished our 5 right there. Let's come up top and look at that final one. That is a beautiful drop up top to talk about here on this setup. So, I mean, that is a beautiful headshot play right there. If you don't know about headshot, you can go watch the videos on headshot. So headshot can come in 2 forms that a lot of people ask all the time. What's the deal? What's a moon and what's a cross? These are the exact same internally. This is just a visual representation. I like the
Fib dot.
circles on the
NASDAQ
higher
on the
time
twos.
frames. They give me
Fib
a
dot.
little tighter
NASDAQ
stop
on the
as
twos.
well. For the moons,
Fib
that's
dot.
one of the other things
NASDAQ
about the
on the
moons
twos.
versus the crosses. You might have noticed that when I put my stop back behind this cross, that it was farther up. Like
Harmonic
give
pattern.
the actual
NASDAQ
measurement here.
on the twos.
Let me hit Control Q. All right, so I got my crosshair here. So the top of this cross up here on the 5s, that
Harmonic
is
pattern.
at
NASDAQ on the twos.
34,883. Okay, remember that 83.
Fib dot. NASDAQ on the twos.
Stop on this behind this one would be 70. You see that? So the higher the time frame gets, again, that's going to get really big. This one happens to be that moon right there. It looks like it's coming on a bar right here. Now, oftentimes that'll still be pushed up farther if that dot is directly in the center. It's not. So this is really, I mean, this just happens to be an absolute ideal. I mean, just you know, fantastic. Again, when the market's going to hand out something
Fib dot.
absolutely perfect
NASDAQ
like that,
on
you
the
know,
twos.
fantastic.
Fib
That's
dot.
great.
NASDAQ on the twos.
And yeah, we'll take it. I wish I would have held it all the way out to that green dot there, but so our exit on the runner, you know, on my runner, I'm always looking for some kind of green exit, right? So, or not a green exit, but if I'm in on a short red, then I'm looking for a green signal to exit for my runner, right? Just to hold it all the way out. So, you know, that was a pretty good drop here for us. How many ticks? That's a
Fib
big
dot.
70,
Fib dot.
58.
Fib dot. NASDAQ
Yeah, from
on the 5s.
64s. Yeah, that's a
Delta
big
cell
drop
building.
there. So getting our stop back behind right there. Hope you guys get the difference in the moons and the crosses.
Harmonic pattern.
I don't know that I
NASDAQ
talk about
on the
that
twos.
too much
Fib
because
dot.
you don't really
NASDAQ
get these
on the
too
way.
often where these are actually
Harmonic pattern.
playable
NASDAQ
like this one here
on the
today.
twos.
Interestingly enough, looking down here
Delta
on
by
RTY,
building.
we also got a beautiful headshot. I think that probably a lot of people crushed this one
Fib
today.
dot. NASDAQ
I
on the
mean,
twos.
you don't get any juicier than that. You are
Delta
already
cell.
red histogram. You've got red headshot coming in on RTY for the correlation. ES, you got it in that spot. Remember we talked about ES being the big daddy up top. So the guideline here from ES came right into that double
Fib dot.
cross location,
NASDAQ on the
right
twos.
into PRZs, and that gave enough for at least the other
Harmonic
markets
pattern.
to shake
NASDAQ
out.
on the twos.
And we'll end up you know, we'll look to see where that goes. Again, we don't have to predict. We don't have to know specifically where everything is going to go. All we have to do is react to our setups.
Long.
And
Look
that
for long.
gave us a very, very big move off of the top there and makes for a beauty. What do you think there, Trump? You think that was a good one?
Very faked it.
What?
So shiny.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Look at this guy.
Delta cell building.
I like these buttons. Where's another good one?
Okay. I love it.
There we go. Alrighty then, so they are delivering and installing our refrigerator downstairs. I hear them beating around. I need to go down there and check to make sure everything's good with the wifey and whatnot as they put that in, and if they need assistance with the water hookup. So I'm gonna go down there.
We can
NASDAQ
on the twos.
Turn the old camera on. If anybody has any questions, pop them down there in the comments. Join us over in the Discord. I gotta get. Thanks for hanging out. I will catch you guys on the flip side. For me, Pippi, Robbie, Lunchbot, Mossbot, Curtis, G, and the rest of the gang. Let's send another Big H-Town. Wait. Hold on. I've got to at least. Hold on. I think everything's cool for the moment downstairs. Let's pull up our stats. So how do we do on our stats here? So come down to screen. Hold on, I'm gonna try to use the Stream Deck thing. Main. Okay, and today's the 13th. Okay, so after commissions. Okay, we're gonna try to rush through this because I gotta get downstairs here. Go check on things. All right, 69%.
NASDAQ.
Holy
on
cow,
the way.
4.2
Harmonic
profit factor.
pattern.
That last one really
NASDAQ
probably
on
helped
the
out with
twos.
that a lot. Total net profit 14,740. Is there anything else to look at here? Commissions right at $100. 26 clicks. There again, that's not total trades. We've talked about that many times. Okay, there are the stats. Real quick on where are we standing in our contest. 72.82 for the trading
NASDAQ
contest,
on the twos.
and we'll go over that in a little
Fib
bit of a recap here this evening. Thanks for hanging out, and I will catch you guys on the flip side. Quick exit on the. See ya.